Hello everyone, I'm Bill, and today we will solve the third question of the Caribou Summer Coding Contest, the junior contest. It is called Working Hours. Statement: one day, you decide to start working at a part-time job. You'll work on n different days in a month. On the ith workday, you're scheduled to work n hours at a rate of k dollars per hour. You've recorded down your hours for each day. How much money will you make? Input. The first line of input consists of two space-separated integers n and k respectively. The next line of input contains n space-separated integers representing the number of hours worked each day. Output. Output the total amount of money earned. Now we're going to write it in Python. So the first line of input will be stored in A. The second line of input will be stored in B. And n and k will store the two numbers in A. So what map does here is that it makes the two integers stored in A into integers instead of strings. So next, we will do the same thing for T, except it's going to become a list. So this makes a T the list for everything that's stored in B. And then we set S, which is the sum for the number of hours, to 0. So now we're going to make a loop where it repeats n number of times. So then S will add T to itself. So now we just print K times S. So now let's test it. We're going to use the same test case as the sample test case given. It gave 540, which is correct. This is all for today. See you next time.